In this video, let's explore how page breaks work in MS Word. Go to Layout, click on Breaks, and you will find page breaks options here and section breaks options here. So let's choose page break first. Click at the end of the paragraph, go to Breaks, click on Page Break. Look, we put our cursor here at the end of the paragraph and it has broken the text and from the top of the next page. We use page breaks basically to start our chapters in our Word document from the new page. Let's go back, change our document into two columns and click here at the end of the paragraph. Go to breaks and click on column breaks. So look here, column breaks break columns and start the text from the top of the next column. Let's check the section breaks. Click here at the end of the first paragraph, breaks, and next page section break. This has broken our first page and started the text from the second page. So the section breaks help us to change the layout of the section as well. This is our second section. Let's change the orientation of the page, landscape, make it, and now you can see our first page is portrait and second page is landscape, and here let's add another section break. Now make this third page, change the orientation of third page into portrait. Now look at this, our third page is portrait, second is landscape, first is portrait. So we can change the dimensions of our page and the margins of our pages in different sections as well. Now let's see how continuous page breaks work. Go to break, put cursor here at the end, breaks, and add continuous page. So this is our continuous page break, a continuous section break. I may add another break here, continuous section break. Click in this center section, the second section, and we get into three columns as well. Continuous section breaks help us to make changes within the page as well by adding the section breaks. Now let's see here, even page section break and odd page section break options has been given. This means if you want to have a next page must be started from even page number, you may click on this even page section break, and if you need out your next page from odd page number, then you click on this odd page. It will start the next section from the odd page, and this even page will start the next section from the even page. Depends on the requirements of your document. This is all about page breaks and section breaks in MS Word. Thank you for watching. Hope you have got the point of breaks. See you soon in the next video. Thanks a lot.